Hey, my name is Felipe and welcome to my Machine Learning Entrepreneur course. This course is for machine learning engineers that wanna get started making money with their skills. There has never been a better time to make money with machine learning. Opportunities are everywhere, but for many aspiring entrepreneurs, the question is where to start. Getting started in the world of entrepreneurship can be tough, confusing, and often feels like it requires a huge financial investment. If you are like me, you have a ton of ideas and lots of energy to start a new business, but the overwhelming uncertainty of where to begin often holds you back. I'm going to show you a way to break into entrepreneurship that doesn't involve any huge investment. It's something you can start today and has the potential to make millions. I'm going to show you how to get started in your entrepreneurial journey by becoming a freelancer and a content creator. It's a very practical approach that will help you to get started making money from your machine learning skills right now. By the end of this course, you will be able to offer your freelance services as a machine learning engineer in Upwork, the most important freelance marketplace. And you will be able to build and grow your own YouTube channel. YouTube is an amazing platform that many people have used to build their million-dollar businesses and that will allow you to showcase your expertise and attract potential clients. I am going to guide you through my own experience as a freelancer and as a content creator. I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide to help you get started as a machine learning entrepreneur. And now, let's get started!